What are you doing, little man? Huh? You running around? Being a crazy boy? Huh? Who's a crazy boy? Whoop, whoop, nope, you're not sure what you're doing, huh?
Easy. Say go, Mom. I'll kick you.
Wanna go back to Mommy?
Not a milkweed.
Wanna go back to Mommy?
Yep. You don't eat milkweed, you moron. That's a milkweed.
I don't know if,
Hey,
I don't know if he wants to go back to Mommy or wants to beat her up.
I think both.